I'm Surya. I belong from Chandigarh. I went to London for my studies. When I was about to finish my course, my hair started to fall. And I was very, very worried because, when your hair starts to fall, you kind of start to look older as well. At the same time, all my girlfriends started to tell me, you look around 40, 45, while I was just 30 years old. So I was very terrified as well. And I did not know what to do. So I consulted few of my friends. I consulted a lot of people that how to get my hair back. Few of my friends told me that use onion syrup or something like that. And few other friends told me to apply some kind of oil as well, but nothing worked on my hair. So I was very terrified. So then what I did is I started to consult few doctors. But all the doctors, I was not satisfied. Somehow I was not satisfied. And though people say that they are very good, but still I was not satisfied. So during this lockdown time, one of my very, very close friend, so he took me to Dr. Pradeep sir. He said there's a doctor called Pradeep sir, and his clinic is in Gurgaon, and he's an excellent doctor. And I was like, okay, let me try him as well. I went to see him. When I spoke to him for almost half an hour, I felt as if I was at my own place, and I felt very connected to him. And I was very, very happy to meet him as well at the same time. Then I thought, I think I should give it a try. But the thing is that he told me that I don't need to get a hair transplant immediately. I should be put on some medications before doing the transplant, which I clearly denied. I was so convinced with his talks and with the way he convinced me that I just went for it, and I told him that, okay, I'll go for this hair transplant thing, and yes, why not? I think I should give it a try. So the next day, we planned for the surgery, and I came for the surgery. I was very enthusiastic about it. I was very, very keen to get it done. So when I just entered the surgery room, I still remember, after 5 minutes, it was like I'm just sitting and watching TV, and I did not even feel any pain while I was getting the surgery done. It was so good that I can't even tell you. I have no words to express that there was no pain while getting the surgery done, first of all. Second of all, Doc Saab is so nice. He is so kind, and the way he tells you about all the journeys of his life experience and about his things, you just forget, and you are just mesmerized by his talks. So which is a very good positive thing as well in Doc Saab. And then it took me almost 1.5 days to get my hair back on my head. And after that, I think I took a rest of 1 day, and the next day I was out with my surgical cap on, and it was just my normal routine. So after 7 days, I got my hair wash done, and today I think it's been 3 months, and all my hair is back. My complete hair thing, I was bald from here, and this part, if you see, it's perfectly okay now. And now my friends tell me I'm back in my 30s, and all my girlfriends are happy. Finally. And finally my girlfriends are back on track now. So before I had to run behind them, today they are running behind me. So which is a very good thing for me, So being for a 30-year-old guy, what else you want, If you are into business or something, and your girls are also happy with you, you have a good life as well. So that's my journey till now. So I would request all of you, whoever is watching me, I think you should go for Dr. Pradeep sir. Close your eyes. When you go to him, close your eyes and get your surgery done. Get it done. Even if he says no, like the way he told me, get your medication, ask him, persuade him that get my surgery done, and then see the magic. He's a magician. I would rather put it in this word, that he is actually a magician, not a doctor. We should even not call him a doctor. And so once I got the surgery done, now he's like I've developed such a kind of relationship with him, like an elder brother as well, which is very positive. Now he advises me in my personal life as well. So I think everybody, whosoever is watching this, you should definitely come to the clinic, get your consultation done, and Doc Saab se aap consultation leke get your surgery done if you have a hair fall. And I think this is the best clinic I've ever come across after 2 years of research work.